You have to be 18 or older to watch this video. If you watch it and you're under 18, that's on you. You shouldn't be watching it, kids. Well, not this video at least, but stay on my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World, and on this episode of Why Not Wednesdays, I know it's been a while, don't cost me, it's cool, we're getting back on track, but on this episode of Why Not Wednesdays, I have a special guest. She just don't introduce herself real quick.
Hi guys, I'm Shamelia.
You want to leave your IG down below, because like nobody not get it if you say it, so I'll just leave the link, because our IG complicated, so I'll just leave the link down below. So yeah, today our topic will be kind of festive, summer-wise, cause vibes, but how to treat your sneaky link. Yeah, so if you don't know what a sneaky link is, Shamelia will explain. Well, what's a sneaky link to you?
Basically,
Yeah, we'll talk up there because we can't go here.
oh my god, alright.
Oh, by the way, congratulations, she's the first guest to come and bring food. She brought donuts and I'll be eating during the video. So yeah, what's a sneaky link to you?
A sneaky link to me, somebody where you just link with on the low for whatever reason. It could be sex or just for chill with, what have vibes with, and nobody really know about them. It's sneaky for a reason, you know?
So to you, it's like, because like, if you mention sneaky link, naturally everybody assumes say it's sex. So to you, a sneaky link is just like, anybody with a link and nobody nothing know. Nah, that's fine.
Y'all never have sex, but you can do other things. You see me, like, if you just want somebody to cuddle.
I can chill.
Yeah.
So there's a misconception that you don't chill with a sneaky link,
You know, you're right. Yeah.
Because like,
But
we are.
it depends on what kind of sneaky link you're linked with.
First of all,
Because this generation is very, very weird.
what's the boundary of a sneaky link and a relationship? Like, what separates it?
What separates a sneaky link from a relationship?
Yeah, because you just say you can chill. No, you just say you can chill. You just say you can chill with the sneaky link.
Okay, I take that back.
So you can't chill with the sneaky link?
No.
It's just for pleasure?
Yeah.
So if it's alright, so if you're chill with the sneaky link, it's not
What
just
I
a sneaky link.
defined initially was a situationship. Situationship.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So like, are you saying that if people are chill with them sneaky link, it's a little more than a sneaky link?
Yeah, definitely, because I catch feelings.
So you can't go on dates with a sneaky link?
Definitely not. That's a situationship. That's why, alright, let me rephrase what I think a sneaky link is, because I got it twisted in my head.
God damn.
A sneaky link is somebody where you link up with to pleasure yourself.
Yeah.
Like,
but what if seeing the person that pleasure you? Like
that's what I was saying in the first part, but then it got too far, you know? Because boundaries. So, if you do certain things too much with your sneaky link, you're not going to end up catching feelings for each other. Because suppose you go up on dates and just chill randomly, you just call them up and be like, oh, can I come over? And you don't want to have sex or nothing, and you not spend time.
Yeah.
That
cannot happen.
Yeah, you're going to catch feelings, literally.
So, guys, do not spend quality time with a sneaky link, or else it'll be more. So, do you think people can be like sneaky links and then go back to like just friends?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
As long as, no, I feel like the only way that can happen if no feelings never involved.
Yeah, obviously, because the feelings of involved in the first place is a sneaky link. If it's a situationship now, that's completely different.
Alright. Suppose you have a sneaky link where broke the line and make somebody know, like them nobody, like them bust the secret. Them bust the secret and you never say roots.
Listen to me.
Them bust the secret.
In a life, know this. No secret, nothing is a secret. Okay? Because nothing is a secret. Unless it stay between you and the person alone. And usually, whenever you have two people and they have a secret, one person are gonna end up tell somebody else and tell them if you tell nobody else, and that person are gonna tell somebody else and tell them if you tell nobody else, and then your secret they are rude.
Bust with dog.
Your secret they are rude.
So you don't have secret and no secret. That's why anything you do, you have to share man. That's why anything you do, you have to share man. He's a proud black man with everything.
Yo.
Alright, so guys.
Own your shit.
My question to you, Shamelia. I have a big question for you at the end of this, you know. Just remember, we'll get into it. Remind me. Stick a pin right there and remind me to get to my question, right?
Okay.
Do you think a sneaky link is essential for the summer if you're single?
No.
No?
No, it depends on. Alright, let me dress back and just.
Never dress back.
Right? It depends on who you are as a person. Like what you want. Is it me? You know.
You know none of your friends them with a sneaky link?
It's not sneaky if I know.
That's what I say, and a sneaky because they bust out there. If you know they bust out there, no.
It's not sneaky if I know.
So you know some of your friends them with a link when it's supposed to be sneaky?
Yeah.
God damn. God damn. Add friends. She not ready to know. She be say no, we have to believe in a friend. Anyways, so, alright. Question. Question. If you have a sneaky link, can the sneaky link have a next sneaky link?
You're f***ing mad?
Okay. Okay.
No. That's crazy. Are you crazy?
I just yarn them a sneak.
Yeah, because that's sex.
No,
It
I.
depends on. It depends on how the sex I go. Like if it's raw, you can't nobody else with me.
I'm supposed to draw with you, but condom with somebody else.
All that shit, no.
But tell your man then, girl, if you want him, say your man then.
I don't want to, but no.
That's a one up, that's a one up.
So when you gonna have more than one sneaky link?
Alright,
Like,
so
take
you would.
being a man,
Alright, so you
what's
would
up?
link. So you would link. And not even being a man, being a girl. Like.
Then why you being a hoe?
What? Alright, question. So you could have like. Alright, clearly because you just said that we know so you could have been a what's the word, polygamous relationship. We know that for sure, right? But alright.
You're sick.
Alright, okay.
Crack.
I won't even ask the next question, but alright, fine. So that means, right? If you are link somebody else, want somebody else link. You never get one. Yeah man, you get Scott. You never get one alive. Man,
Me did the first farm that not count.
No, wait, oh you reached this up.
Exactly, it don't count. I kiss somebody else that don't count.
No, since you're big. I know yourself, you never get one.
No.
Alright, you never not even relationship. You never get a link a youth and link a next youth.
Oh, you're gonna get me that trouble. No, I've never done that.
Never.
Ever.
Alright.
Never ever do.
Alright. Crazy. You want a donut?
No, I just eat my food.
Sorry. You know?
What do you mean by link?
No,
Let's
no.
define link.
Guys, I'm on my second donut and I feel really embarrassed because like I don't usually eat more than one donut because like donut is like fat food, no? It's like night, no, donut is like fat food. What's that now? What's that? Is that everything? Is that everything? Oh, 7:40. Anyways, we're picking it. It's cool. What do you mean? What do you mean more than link? Link!
What is a link though?
Just like when you have a sneaky link, you have a next link. It's just a long chain.
No. So you're asking
Yeah,
in layman terms, if I've ever been having sex with somebody and have sex with somebody else while I have sex with
but you're not going in a relationship.
No.
Never?
No.
So even if you're single, one person.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, when you're single, how do you choose?
I mean, probably not change, we don't know, but for right now.
Yeah. Alright, but when you're single, how do you choose that one person?
How do I choose that one? It's my ex.
It's always the ex. It's always the ex.
So bad, but
You know something cool right now?
why?
You can't make them stinky link, dog. If you make them used to link, if you make them done, you done, dog. You wanna know why? Because my feelings, man, dog. If them still link them, it's weird. Suppose me link you, I'm gonna see all at once, man, and thump it on you, know?
And that actually happened.
And he thump it on you, you mad? That's why if my ex
I'm
them
not
done.
tell me by the way, but
If my ex them done, my ex them done. Can't do it, but I can't do this sneaky
I
link.
mean, the feeling's still there in there, but
I mean, I said, don't you lie in 9 years, I'm not gonna take one poops if you know, but like immediately after now, don't them guys, bro. We're not link. You do what you do, me do what me.
I think personally, I think why girls do that though, body count.
Honestly, body count doesn't even count anymore.
I mean,
It doesn't count to me. It's like, I would.
a lot of people are liberated.
First of all, the thing is, I wouldn't, if I'm with a girl, I wouldn't, like, I don't want to know her body count now. I don't care now.
I'm not telling nobody now.
That's like, I don't care what girl body count now. And like, if a girl come to me and ask me body count, I'll be hesitant. But if I tell her, son, tell her in her face. I don't know. You want a girl link and like just somebody come, I'm gonna tell her she can't something, you ask. Just like if a girl and me a link and she go on the phone and see nothing, you can't say something to me. You're too fast. Where are you going on the phone for? Anything you're saying there, you're on it business, man.
First of all, I've searched the phone before.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it again.
You're supposed to say that?
I'm gonna do it again.
Me never touch a phone and me not search no phone.
Don't search a girl's phone, yeah.
Me never touch a
You're gonna
phone.
regret it.
Bro, the most me ever do, as it relates to searching, I'm gonna be honest, there's one time when a girl that link, you see me? I'm looking at her back because I want to see lingerie which I have done. Because she want to surprise me. She didn't want to surprise me that. I'm looking at her back. That's it though. Whenever I go to, you see it, and I'm just so sorry.
The first time I went through somebody, this is way off topic, but when we go back.
Because them girls want to catch you off guard, brother. If you imagine to put that as a surprise, I'm heart race, some drop down, brother.
Oh my god.
You mad? You have to prepare me.
First time I search somebody's phone is because he tell me same search mine. Because we used to leave a phone running.
I always want to say that, brother. We're going to go on the phone for
we used to leave a phone running.
If a girl have the next one, I just feel like she's happy. She should be happy. The next one.
But it was a sneaky link.
Sneaky link is on the phone. Sneaky link is on the phone.
Yes.
But kill this brother.
Why was it a sneaky link or was it a situation? I don't know.
That's not sneaking in there. Like more. Who's sneaking in? Kill a comes to the one on the phone. Yeah, fool.
Yeah. We used to leave a phone because
The last girl searched the phone. The last girl searched the phone. Yeah? She's something in there. I start balling. I'm in the look at her. We are searching the phone for.
Every time I search a phone, I tell them to carry on. I'm ready.
Nah, the last girl searched the phone. Do much. The last girl searched the phone. She's something on the phone and start balling. I'm going, what you do that for? I'm asking them, what you do that for? I say, come not to the girl phone, brother, because I'm telling you, bro. No matter what in your phone, something will upset me.
That's how you look my life.
You know, so one time I talk to one girl, I'm looking at her phone, and I see what in her gallery. And I see her ex. Brother, fraud, no one fraud, I just want to kill over there. I'm in the search phone. Yeah, but the thing is, I wasn't searching her phone. Within her phone, I see her ex picture. Don't I button about that gallery too? Reset that, no, no. That's one dead, brother. So we're not search girl phone ever. Well, we jump way off topic, you know. Anyways, back to the sneaky link shit. First of all, your sneaky link, that was not a sneaky link, by the way. If you want to search your phone, yeah, always start rating. You know, big up the man over here saying, yo, brother, umbre, she not rate you, she not rate you. Don't want to be like, no, she not rate you. I hope that's in the dog. They want to make them pretty girl that trick on in the dog. You see me, I say? Pretty girl are there.
I was so honest.
Yo, pretty girl are there too.
I was so honest with you.
Pretty girl are there too.
I said that.
Yo, speaking of pretty girl, right? Hear me out. Feel like say, ugly girl, sex better than pretty girl. Let me explain. Ugly girl have something to prove. That's what I say. So them go all out in the bed. Yo, ugly girl have something to prove now. So
when I was younger, I used to hear say, ugly girl have.
Oh, no. We got that.
Like the logic behind it was that pretty girl have wave a man or them get wave a man.
But
I'm just like,
you know, say, but there's a close something though. You're being editing this to me, friend.
Listen to me, if you know me, I know I say bad word a man.
Mama, edit all the words. You know what? Right? It's like you're being beep. You want to start talking. You know what I mean?
Pitney, watch this?
Yeah. Kids watch this.
Hi kids.
Yeah. Wait, right, real quick, let's plug this so I can put it at the intro. You have to be 18 or older to watch this video. If you watch it and you're under 18, that's on you. You shouldn't be watching it, kids. Well, not this video at least, but stay on our channel. Shit, I don't even know where we were. Where were we?
I don't know, we'll try to get back on topic.
We'll try to get back on topic.
Boundaries.
Oh, boundaries. Nothing to do boundaries about sneaking. Alright. If you go to boom, right? And you realize I catch feelings for a sneaky link, where do? Like you have a sneaky link, you don't know it's a sneaky link, but like you catch feelings, where you do?
It depends on your expertise level.
Your expertise level? Suppose I'm like suppose I'm like
sneaky link.
What do I?
Because if it's your first time, you're not gonna know if you do, you're gonna fart up, you're gonna probably tell them say you're gonna act like idiots and tell them say you like them. Don't do that.
Girl front up on me already.
And tell them say
love. And tell them love me, dog. Eh? I'ma go. When I'm love me, I'm just go so. Listen, Jano. No, me tell her,
No,
say,
girl,
yo.
why you do that?
Let me tell her how me do it. Me tell her, say, yo. Come on, I don't care about you.
Nah, shit, me eat it.
How? But me not gonna lie, I'm not a lying guy. Me not gonna try some love words. Me just say, yo,
Yeah,
you
man.
don't care about you. Shamelia knows. Shamelia knows that I'm very honest. Am I lying?
I was gonna say the honest point.
Yeah. One thing about me, I'm not lying to girl, brother. I'm telling you why? Because Shamelia tell me something. If I lie to you, I'm responsible for your feelings after that. But if I tell you the truth,
That's on you.
you don't know the truth, oh my
That
god.
is
That means you don't know the truth.
Brother.
Anyways, she my biggest role model as it relates to like, you know, she know the game, no dog. Like you feel like she don't know the game, she know the game, she rough. You're rough dog, you know you're rough for the streets dog. You little just and them niggas a ball dog, you know that.
I mean,
You're my most toxic male friend.
Oh my god.
Honestly.
Brother,
Alright.
let me tell you something. With a sneaky link or with any link, situationship, relationship, whatever, be honest.
That's true.
Being honest, like,
That's true,
get
be
a
honest.
girl in a corner, you are grown. We have to lie.
Yeah. Truth.
But
Truth.
I'm gonna lie, and if nobody, if me have a sneaky link or a situationship or whatever, me tell you from the jump, me say, yo, XYZ, ABC, and you decide, say, you want to go through the rest of the alphabet and do what you want to do. And I'm not for doing me and you hurt yourself, you know?
Not the alphabet.
And
Honestly.
you hurt yourself because me
Honestly,
don't
my thing is, yo dog, I'm not lying to you. Alright, I like direct girls. I like girls who are straightforward. Like from ever since, and to always be that way. I like girls who are straightforward. I don't want you to ask him something. If we up on a link and I like that will go up on the link, say it. You see me? Don't say, oh, just let me see you. No, mama, me not see you because I don't like waste time, so you know. Me not see you, you know. Yo, people tell me already say, yo, let me see you, and I'm just like, video call me, what you mean? What you mean you want to see me?
I mean,
First of all,
not
me
every
seeing you.
girl I go straight forward.
No man, but
Some girls
leave
want
hints
to
to
take
it, bro.
charge, though.
Nah, leave
and
hints
some
to it.
girls can't do that.
Can't even leave
either.
hints, bro.
No.
Me flirt with you, you eat that?
Some of them don't know how to flirt.
Yo, I
A
flirt.
lot of girls don't know how to flirt.
Bro, I flirt hard, brother. You see what I'm saying? If you don't pick up yourself, me flirt, you eat that.
You see the boy I drank her?
No.
No.
Brother, I flirt, obviously, brother. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, you flirt.
Me no say things and take it back. If I say a thing and wait for your response, I say something else. When you respond, you get what I mean? Let's say me say yo. No, you can invite girls. You know that my friends are we'll go on party Friday. Would you mind like just forward, you see me?
Get your vibe first.
Fetch the vibe first. Some of the wanna get a girl bump first, they are so expensive, do some nonsense. Where you can't.
Yeah, but you like your friend because some of
First
them will just go out for food.
Brother.
Y'all be safe.
Brother.
Y'all be safe. Me not go
Dog, some girl gonna want to eat man like 7 crave in a youth. They just want to drop off
as I
food.
mentioned that 7 crib, I cannot get over the fact that this girl tweet one time said, the 7 crib man are wheelie with the food.
Facts.
Like she said wheelie, who said wheelie? The 7 crib man are wheelie with the food.
That they just pause visit that Shamelia?
Yeah.
You know, tell her down below. So that never happened. That's all I like. Just comment down below. Comment down below and say that never happened. Said honestly.
I didn't like it.
Me think it was a follow up to the tweet, you know. Me think it has say somebody reply and say this is how you know I don't use Twitter. Repeat. This is somebody reply and say I don't. God damn it, dog.
It's not even reply anymore. It's quote.
It's quote.
Quote the tweet.
See, I don't even know that. I'm deleting Twitter, bro. Wow. Use screenshot and send me anything if you see. You know, I don't know like it like that. You wanna know what's fun? You know what's fun?
TikTok?
Anyways, yo, you like TikTok like that?
Yeah.
Let's do a video one day when we're doing TikTok dances. You'll teach me TikTok
We
dances.
can't do them. Yes, that been skip.
Alright, fun. Anywho, we're wrapping up. It's like 20 minutes in. I just have one question for you though. Like, do you have a sneaky link right now? And on that note, this has been another episode of Our World. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. I'm sorry for being away for so long, guys, but I'm back, alright? I'm back. Big up Shamelia real quick, go down below and follow her up on IG. As usual, guys, comment, let me know your favorite part. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, friend. Like your friend, how are you to tell a friend? Tell them bye.